Shalom, shalom, it's David, and this exercise is the bird dog. Let's begin on all fours, knees underneath hips, hands underneath shoulders, elbows completely straight, and elbow eyes pointed forward, meaning we don't want to be rotated this way. I call this area the eye of your elbow, and we are rotating them forward the entire time we're in this stance. Here, head up slightly, right arm and left leg extend at the same time. Hold, switch sides. Try to keep everything in line, really feeling my core, working on my timing and coordination. I want my hand and my knee to touch at the same time. Press in, feel the weight transfer into simultaneous movement on the other side. Front heel. The exercise is the bird dog. Peace.